Hello, everyone. This is Geo of the Information Girls, and today we're going to be talking about getting started with YouTube Shorts. And as usual, I will have the link to this information down below in the description box. So let's talk about Shorts. Shorts is in beta. Everyone can watch Shorts, and we're now expanding the YouTube short form video creation to even more creators around the world. And then you can click on this learn more to see if your country is in this list. It goes on to say, well, first of all, it has a video right here that you can watch now. Okay, so it's very important to watch videos. YouTube Shorts is a way for anyone to connect with a new audience using just a smartphone and the Shorts camera in the YouTube app. The YouTube short creation tools makes it easy to create short form videos that are up to 60 seconds long with our multi-segment camera. So now we're going to learn more about the shorts. In which countries, regions are shorts creation tools available? So they're saying that we're gradually expanding. Well, YouTube is saying that they are gradually expanding the shorts creation tool to everyone global with the YouTube app. So you got to have the YouTube app in order to create shorts if you're using the YouTube app. If you don't see the option to create a short yet, make sure to update the app. So if you have the app already, make sure that it is the updated app. All right. How do I record a short? To create a short video on YouTube, sign into YouTube on your mobile phone. Tap the plus, then tap the camera to create a short. To make your short longer than 15 seconds, tap 15 above the record button to record up to 60 seconds. Note, recording with music from our library or the original audio from other videos is limited to 15 seconds. Now, this is optional number 4. To tap speed, it gives you a little icon there to speed up or slow down recording. Number 5 is optional. Tap timer to set the countdown to record hands free and choose when to automatically stop recording. Number 6, to record a clip, hold the capture button or tap it to start recording and then again to stop recording. Number 7, tap undo to remove the previous video clip you recorded or tap redo to add it back. Tap done to preview and enhance your video. Tap next to add details to your video. Number 9, add a title. Max is 100 characters to your short video. Tap upload to finish. All right. How will viewers find my shorts? We're always testing new ways to deliver content to viewers. This is especially true for shorts. Right now, viewers may find your shorts by tapping shorts at the bottom of the YouTube app. They may also find shorts on the YouTube homepage in their notifications, checking their subscriptions, featured on your homepage. Once they tap into a short, viewers can scroll to watch more short videos. Whenever they find them, subscribers gained from watching your shorts count toward Creator Awards Program milestones. Wow. So that means that when subscribers watch your short, it counts toward that program they have now that's called Creator Awards Program Milestones. So all you have to do is click on these words, Creator Award Program, and then you can find out what that's all about. Okay? Include hashtag shorts in your short video title or description to help our system recommend your shorts across YouTube. For more information on hashtags on YouTube, go to add hashtags to your video and they leave a hashtag link here for you. All right. What audio can I use in my short videos? Accompany your shorts with a song or audio clip from across YouTube. The audio found in our library is free to use, but only for personal, non commercial use unless you have the appropriate license. Here's how to get started. To find our audio library when you're ready to record, add sound. Make a selection and then record up to 15 seconds. To add a song or other audio after you record, tap sound at the bottom of the edit screen. Sound picked from our library is limited to 15 seconds. And then it just goes on to tell you some other information. This is why I leave the link for you guys so that you can read the extra. All right. Can I earn money from my short videos? This is what they said. Okay. Short form video creators do not share revenue from advertisements played in the short player at this time. We instead started the YouTube Short Fund, a $100 million fund for creators who help us build the future of short form videos on YouTube. And you can learn more about how you can do that. Okay, so this is how you can get started on creating YouTube shorts. And most people are making another channel for their shorts. Some are just putting them their shorts on the home page of the channel that they already have today. So there you go. Once again, I'll have the link down below so that you can read all of this for yourself. Make sure you watch this video. It is very good. I am Geo of the Information Girls. No rumors, just the facts. If you have not joined the Information Girls, please do so today.
Information Girls, we got the pills, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep